Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a very special day because we are going to India. So we're actually going back to India from almost 2 years later, so I'm really excited. So let's get on with the video. So to bring all the bags to the airport, we actually got a cab, and here's my dad putting all the suitcases into our car. So this is actually out of nowhere, but I actually got new Puma shoes and they're literally brand new, so I'm happy. And well, last looks at the house. So the first thing we did was put all our bags into these trolleys. Okay guys, so right now we're going to be checking in into this kiosk things. My dad is doing that right now, so let's see how he's doing it. Okay guys, so we just checked in and right now we're going to the lounge, so let's see how it is because the Mumbai one was pretty nice, so I really want to see how this one is. There were actually a lot of awesome things there, but the food was okay. Okay guys, so right now I actually got some things from Tim Hortons. So the first thing we got is a cream donut. Okay, let me take it out. So there's vanillas, I think it's like icing on top, and then there's sprinkles, and then inside there's whipped cream. Next, there weren't any sandwiches in the veggie one, because like all winter long we have been eating the cafe sandwich, which was so good, and I'm totally prefer Tim Hortons to bring that back. But now it's not there, and the only veggie sandwich there was like hash browns and cream cheese, which I would prefer. So we got the only hash brown, which is extremely sweet. And then we also got a coffee for Dad. So guys, after the hash brown, I was still hungry, so I ate a cheese pizza. Let's go into our flight. I'm super duper excited. Okay guys, so right now we're in the flight, and I turned on the tab, and it is so cool. So they gave a pair of headphones, they gave a blanket and a cushion. The seats are pretty tight, I would say, but the sunrise is really good. It's really good. So there's a lot of movies, so I'll show you. Here's one of the movies I was watching. Let's take off. I am super duper excited but nervous at the same time. So yeah, here we are in air. Okay, so once we arrived at the airport, I actually got this kids game type thing where you have to take the wheel and spin it 5 to 7 times, and then you have to take one of the papers. In the boxes on top, you have to write all the letters you got and form 4 to 3 or 5 words with it. And I think it's a pretty interesting game to play, but I would rather watch movies. And there were also these blue and red cool lights. Hi Dad! And well, hi! Okay guys, so our food is here. So I ordered the veg one and my dad ordered the non-veg one. The only difference is that the pasta is non-veg and the pasta is veg. So that's the only difference. So the first thing I saw was some beautiful tomato pasta, and it has cheese grated on top, which looked so yum. Right beside it, there's this bread, and it's so hard. And then there's some fruits, water, and some orange juice I ordered for myself. Oh, I almost missed this. There was also the salad type thing. And then there was a cheese, which was hard to find, but it was a Cracker Barrel cheese. So I've never tried this cheese before. I'm really excited. So we just finished dinner, and I want to just turn on the light. Okay, there. So me and my dad are awake, and other than that, it's just pitch black, and just because of the light, you can actually see my face. So, see you later. Okay guys, so for breakfast, the first thing we got was butter. Then we got some strawberry and banana flavored milk. Then we got some apple juice, some strawberry jam, and a loaf of bread. See you after breakfast. At first it was complete darkness, but then we started seeing these little tiny golden dots, and then there were so many of them. So then we just guessed that we're here at France, and it looks so cool because on top it looked like really magical because they were like golden, and then we started seeing red dots and blue dots. It looked so cool.
Next stop, Terminal 2E.
Paris airport was really nice, but I didn't film much, so whatever I had, I'm going to show you. So this is our last flight, and let's go to India from Paris. We're finally here at Mumbai. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye!